Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Samsher Singh, Professor in Management, working in RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus. Dear students, hope all are doing well. And today's video is about fiscal policy. So let's get right into the video. Fiscal policy is the use of government spending and taxation to influence the economy. Government typically use fiscal policy to promote strong and sustainable growth and reduce poverty. The role and objectives of fiscal policy gained prominence during the recent global economic crisis when government stepped into support financial system, jumpstart growth and mitigate the impact of the crisis on vulnerable groups. In the following their London summit in April 2009, leaders of the group of 20 industrial and emerging market countries stated that they were undertaking unprecedented and concerted fiscal expansion. What did they mean by fiscal expansion? And more generally, how can fiscal tools provide a boost to the world economy? Historically, the prominence of fiscal policy as a policy tool has waxed and waned. Before 1930, an approach of limited government or laissez-faire prevailed with the stock market crash and the Great Depression. Policy market pushed for government to play a more proactive role in the economy. More recently, countries had social scaled back the size and function of government, with markets taking on an enhanced role in the allocation of goods and services. But when the global financial crisis threatened worldwide recession, many countries returned to a more active fiscal policy. When policy makers seek to influence the economy, they have two main tools at their disposal: monetary policy and fiscal policy. Central banks indirectly target activity by influencing the money supply through adjustment to interest rates, banks' reserve requirements, and the purchase and sale of government securities and foreign exchange. Government influence the economy by changing the level and types of taxes, the extent and composition of spending, and the degree of and form of borrowings. Government directly and indirectly influence the way resources are used in the economy. A basic equation of national income and accounting that measures the output of an economy or gross domestic product. According to expenditure helps show how this happens. Besides providing goods and services like public safety, highways, or primary education, fiscal policy objective where in the short term government may focus on macroeconomic stabilization, for example, expanding spending or cutting taxes to stimulate an ailing economy, or slashing spending or raising taxes to combat rising inflation or to help reduce external vulnerabilities. That are longer term. The main the aim may be to foster sustainable growth or reduce poverty with actions on the supply side or to improve infrastructure or education. Okay, dear student, that is the brief discussion about fiscal policy. Hope so you understand. Thank you. Thank you.